Hi folks, so in this video I'm going to start to look at animating different things within Maya. At the minute what we've been looking at is animating movement, transformation tools, rotation tools, things like that to change movement, scale and positioning of objects within a scene. But you can animate pretty much anything. So let's say on this light, for example, I watched a cool tutorial from another Maya expert on changing the intensity on lighting. I thought it was quite a nice thing to show you. So let's say I want to create this so the light is kind of flickering off and on. What you need to do is hit the, I'll do it at the very start of my animation, and I'm going to right click on that particular attribute and I can set key. So that's going to set a key just for that one attribute. It's not going to change any of the transformation, the movement or anything like that. It's going to just change the intensity. Now if I move that, make it brighter maybe, and again set key, and then let's go to let's just, well, you see straight away it's getting lighter as I move, but let's just go to the graph editor and have another look at what's happening. So animation editor is graph editor, and on there you can see my intensity is visible, so that's quite nice. If I just zoom out we can see what's happening. So at the minute it's slowly speeding up, it's slowly getting lighter, going on a continuous movement and then slowing down. That's fine, and then it's carrying on forever at that intensity. Let's say I want to go backwards and forwards. You can do all of that in post infinity. So at the minute, previously I've shown you linear, where it just carries on at the end of the last tangent. If you change this to oscillate, what it will do, it will look like a waveform and it will oscillate along. It will go backwards and forwards forever. So it's a nice quick way to create that effect. And you can see as I'm moving, the light's going, it's dimming and getting lighter. So you end up with quite a nice effect there. So I always hit spacebar. There you go. So you can see the lights sort of dimming in and out as we move through the scene. In theory, you know, it's a cleaner way to animate. Right clicking and setting the keys to individual options is a nicer way to animate. If you hit S, what's happening is that it's setting a keyframe for everything. So at a later date, say if you want to make a change or change the size of something or move, things and not have it animated, you're going to run into problems. So for a clean way of editing, I'd suggest maybe instead of hitting S, just look at just setting a keyframe for that particular thing that you want to move. It's not the end of the world, it's just worth thinking about. Alright, so that's using the intensity of a light and animating it.